This is the final work. Can you see the beauty?
Welcome to another episode of Style Ghana. We just completed another stunning design to transform our client's space. Let's go check out the beauty and functionality of the final work. So this is the final work to transform the space. So this is a under staircase display cabinet. It has doors here. And we also have space behind it. So apart from its beauty, it has its functionalities. So we provided a drawer beneath so that the client can keep things here, and it is very spacious. We attached a motion sensor to detect the movement so that it triggers the light to turn on when it senses the movement. Are you ready to elevate your space? Contact Style Ghana today to schedule a consultation to bring your design vision to life. Thank you.